Welcome to lecture series on multiple integral. Our today's topic is change of order of integral. We will see that what is change of order of integral and why we need it. Okay, so first, what is change of order of integral? The change from one integral to the other is called change of order of integral. Okay. Since it involves changing from dy dx to dx dy and also vice versa, means dy dx to dx dy to dy dx. For changing the order, one should sketch the region of integration. From the sketch, the new limit of integration can be determined as usual. So this is all about the change of order of integration. Our next question is why we need it. Okay, so answer is sometimes happens that integral to be integrated is either difficult or impossible to evaluate, whereas the other integral can be evaluated easily, so that it requires to change of order of integration. In a double integral, if the limit of integral are constant, then the order of integration trivial, provided the limit of integration are changed accordingly. Thus, if we have double integration of f of xy dx dy, here limit, when we are integrating with respect to x, limit is a to b, and if we are integrating with respect to y, limit is c to d. So is equal to double integration over f of xy, where change of order of integration, first dx and then dy. Here change, it means first we are integrating with respect to dy and then with respect to x. So limit is also changed. Here is c to d, which is limit of y, and x is a to b. But this is possible only we have limit constant, right? But if the limit of integration are variable, so in this case what we do? So suppose double integration over f of x y dy dx. Here if I say limit of y is some variable, suppose lower limit of this integration is f1 of x, and upper limit is suppose f2 of x, and the limit of integration with respect to x is f to b. Or double integration over f of xy dx dy. First we are integrating with respect to x, and the limit is invariable. Suppose lower limit is f1 of y and upper limit is f2 of y, and here we are integrating with respect to y, limit is constant, so c to d to be integrated. Let us see in example how it works. So our first example is given over here, that is change the order of integration, and double integration is given, the function f of xy with respect to dx and dy. First we are sketch the region. So solution, here is x and y, here is point 0, 0. So first we are integrating with respect to x, and the limit of x is x is equal to y, lower limit, and upper limit is x is equal to a. And here limit of y is first y is equal to 0 and then y is equal to a. So put all this equation by geometrically. So x is equal to y line is here. This is my x is equal to y. Next is x is equal to a. Suppose x is equal to a is here. This line is x is equal to a and y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0 is what? X axis. And next is y is equal to a. Suppose y is equal to is here. Y is equal to a. So here first we are integrating with respect to dx. So in that case we are taking small strip along x-axis. So along x-axis, suppose here to here. This is my small strip. This strip is bounded by x is equal to y to x is equal to a, and in y this is bounded by 0 to a. Now we are changed to order of integration. Means here we have given that dx dy and we want to change dy dx. So for that f of x y dy dx. In this example, the most important part is what? To describe limit. How to determine limit. Right. So here we are integrating with respect to y. So in that case, we are taking small strip along y-axis. Suppose this is the small strip along y-axis. So first we are putting limit of y. So here y is varies between here is lower limit. So this is x is equal to 0. So 0 to it going x is equal to y. So in y, that is y is equal to x. So x. Next we are putting limit of x. So in this region x is varies between 0 to a. 0 to a. So this is what? The change of order of integration, and here we are done. That is dx dy to change dy dx. We have to take care of limit. So this is all about change the order of integration. So next example is change the order of integral double integration over the function f of xy dy dx. Sketch the region. Solution. Axis x y. Here the region of integration is bounded by in this case, that is x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, y is equal to x square, and y is equal to 1. So put all these are in by geometrically. First is x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 is y-axis already here. Next, x is equal to 1. Suppose x is equal to 1 is here. This line is x is equal to 1. Next, y is equal to x square. Suppose y is equal to x square is like this. And y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1 is suppose here. That is y is equal to 1 and this point is 1 1. Now we want to find, we are going to change the order of integral. So our region of integration is what this is. This. So region of integration as shown in figure. To change the order of integration, we have to first integrating with respect to x and then with respect to y. So given that dy dx and change it dx dy. So f of x y dx dy, double integration. So first we are integrating with respect to dx. So for that, take small strip with respect with along the x-axis. So this is my small strip along x-axis. Okay. Now we will see that what is the limit according to x-axis. Lower limit is obvious 0. So lower limit is x is equal to 0 and upper limit is this. So this is this line is curve is y is equal to x square. So here we want to limit in x. So x is equal to square root of y. So it becomes x is equal to square root of y. This is the limit for dx. So 0 to square root of y, and y is in between this to this. So 0 to 1. So limit of y is 0 to 1. So this is what all about change the order of integral, and this is the change dy dx to dx dy. We have to take care of this limit. Okay.